back. It has to be as easy to put away as it is to leave out. So, what happens? Things get left out, piles start, and before you know it, it feels overwhelming, especially with the piles, right? The issue isn't that you don't clean, it's that your home isn't set up to stay that way. I always feel like if I have an area that I've organized and over 6 months or a year, I cannot keep it, reset it because it's not always going to stay. But if you can't reset it with just one or two steps, then there's a problem with the system and I have to figure out a different way. I had that happen under my kitchen sink. It just wasn't staying neat and it because it wasn't easy to put back in place. So, let me break this down into three simple reasons.